Hello, I'm tired. It's midnight. I'm slightly delirious, so let's get started. Hey there, Mystic Potato Hipster here, and today we have a lovely cat Purrito drawing, as my sister put it, and it is a collaboration of sorts with my younger sister. She requested that I show her how my drawing software works, my drawing tablet and the drawing software on my computer. And so I decided, why not? I have no social life, mine as well. So here you can see I'm drawing the line art, and it's very simplistic, but I just needed something quick to draw and something easy for her to color because, she's not that very experienced. And so she did pretty good. I was quite surprised. She did very well, and we had a great time recording this. So you'll see she has a very bright and vibrant, slightly tacky color choice, and it was very cute. You'll see later in the video though, I erased the color, don't worry, I saved her glorious artwork. Anyways, you'll see later on in the video that I keep the line work, but I erase the color and I start over and draw it in my style, which is more dark, but still very cute in my opinion. And so anyways, I'll let you watch the video. So as you can see, we're getting to the point where I draw my own style. And this one is darker, different colors slightly. Still the same idea as my sister, but different. Yeah, I think I've said that several times. But anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's been quite a fun thing for me to do, just something to get my mind off school. And yeah, so that's it. I hope you had a wonderful day or evening. I don't know, depends on what time you're watching this. Time to finish editing. Yay. Save me.